fun!
If you've been in this course already, you've gone up through chapter 5 where we really started talking about transcendental functions and the exponentials and logarithm. If you started this in trigonometry, you may be starting now, welcome, or you're starting in chapter 5 where we started talking about transcendentals, logarithms, exponentials. But now we're going to get into what most people consider the root of trigonometry. What do we think about it with trigonometry? We usually think triangles. This first chapter is going to start in angles, but I'm going to give you a little bit bigger picture for just a moment. What we talk about here, and these things are going to be covered in the book in the next couple of chapters, and I'm trying to just get a flavor. What we've got is, if we do with the x and y graph that we're typically used to talking about, and I'm going to put an x and y here, and this is the rectangular coordinate system. If we start at the origin and rotate like a compass, and I stick the point of the compass there and rotate to create an arc or to create a circle, what we start doing is thinking about rotation. In a lot of people, this is very comfortable, think of this east, north, west. So east, due east would be 0 degrees, and if you turn due north, you've turned 90 degrees. Due west is 180, due south is 270, and back here again is 360. So when you think about on a skateboard or an automobile or something, when you talk about doing a 360-degree rotation, you've turned all the way around, you're right back to where you went. If you start out walking due east and somebody says turn 180 degrees, well, now you're walking due west. So this is the compass system, GPS systems, all these things are based upon a coordinate. You've got to have some place to start. You've got to have a sense of direction. Now, so we apply this to our XY coordinate system. Now we also do things in terms of pi.